even hit that high note. Let me not even try. Mariah Carey, I could never compete with her because girl, I was about to crack my voice and embarrass myself. So we're not gonna do that, but I am decorating today. So it's a decorate with me, decorate my 8-foot or 9-foot tree. I overdid it this year, but to be honest, I don't know, I feel like this Christmas for me isn't feeling that Christmassy. I don't know if it's because it hasn't snowed. I don't know why I'm feeling a little off, but I also feel like this year hasn't been the greatest to me. So that's why I'm trying to overcompensate with a huge tree. So for those that had a mid 2023, this 2024 is gonna be good to us, please. But let's review my tree. I'm also scared it's just gonna snap open and hit me on the face, because that's just how clumsy I am. Also, for those wondering, I never knew how many different kind of trees there is, and if there's only 3, that's embarrassing. But for those wondering, I got a facer tree. I think that's how you pronounce it, a facer tree. Again, I got 8 through 9 foot. Now I low-key regret because it's humongous. It would not fit in my hallway, so we decided to put it in our room this year to make it a little cozy vibes. And I feel like it's also gonna look so cute and homey when all the presents are under the tree. Oh, my favorite. Still came to the rescue because I can't unravel it and I'm actually breaking a sweat and getting a little frustrated because I thought this would be easier to unwrap. Also, are you guys festive people? I feel like I definitely am. I am decorating a little late, but that's because we get Christmas trees. Well, obviously we get real Christmas trees, and I'm always scared since this is my 3rd year getting a real one. I don't know the time frame they last, so I didn't want to get it in the beginning of December. I actually was going to get it the week of Thanksgiving for it to be dead on Christmas Day, you know? So I decided to go the safest route and go with the 2nd week of December. This is how our tree looks like. Look how it looks compared to me. I just want to hug my tree. I'm just connecting to Mother Nature, although I kind of killed her, but we're gonna ignore that. Okay, so now here it's gonna be the placement. We're gonna see what side is the prettiest. This side kind of looks a little gappy, so I'm gonna have to twirl her around. Oh my god, I was scared to put my hands in between the freaking tree. And you may ask why I'm scared. It's because of TikTok. I'm telling you, TikTok either traumatizes me, informs me, educates me, all the above, but there's some things I don't want to get educated. So I saw videos of praying mantis in the trees, and they are little eggs and then they hatch, and then there's a million of them in your tree. So that is when I'm terrified. Also spiders, but I could deal with spiders. I think this is the one. Okay, officially this is the one. It looks pretty good, yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm gonna just sweep up real quick so we can move on to the next thing. Now to talk about my color scheme for my Christmas tree. Oh my god, it's humongous. We were there for a good hour because we couldn't decide on what tree to get, and then some trees just look like straight up bushes, and it's giving bush. But this year's color theme is gonna be silver and white. It has no white, but it's just plain silver. But I think we could get away with mixing silver and white. Every year we do change colors, so this year is gonna be like chromatic kind of look, or like more elegant. That's what I'm trying to go for, so hopefully it doesn't look tacky. Last year's tree was pink, which I was so down to do pink again, but then I got outvoted, so we are sticking with silver. But for those wondering, I do get my ornaments in Target from the Wonder Shop brand, and it always comes with a count of 50. And I always like purchasing these ornaments because they are so cheap, affordable, and I feel like they are good quality. They've lasted me years, and it's $15 for a set of 50, which is a steal. So that's why I always change up the colors, because I buy that brand specifically. Oh my god, I didn't even read. It says hooks included. I was so overthinking that situation because I'm like, what if I open these ornaments and don't have enough hooks? But it literally says there are hooks included, and I didn't read that. So always read, and I should know already because I'm constantly ordering them, but I always forget every year if they come with hooks or not, but they do. But before we put the ornaments, I showed you my color scheme, what I'm going for. I do also add little special ornaments, but I don't know if I should put the lights on first. So maybe I should put the lights on first, and we're gonna see what kind of color we're gonna go for, because I think I have warm undertone and cool undertone, as I guess I do. Okay, so let's see these. I don't want to do colors. I feel like it's gonna make it look tacky. Moment of truth. They are blinking, and I don't know if they're supposed to be doing that or they got messed up. So maybe I'll add that one in the middle. I don't know, but they are all the same undertone, so these are the lights I'm gonna go with. So I put the lights backwards. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, this is the fun part, but the fun part of decorating is when you mess up on things like this, especially the lights, because this tree is fake. So I literally wanna cry. Half an hour later, we're done. Moment of truth now. Let's hope it looks good. So pretty. It probably is missing some more lights, but overall it looks good. I do have other lights, so I might have to add that, but I'll do that later because I need to breathe. But anyways, now is the fun part, the ornaments. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so we just have some metallic looking spheres in this set, a shiny one and then a glittery one. And this does throw glitter, just FYI. If you guys are gonna buy this, just know that it's gonna throw glitter. But honestly, my house is always full of glitter when it comes to Christmas. I never have an issue with it sticking or staying for so long. Or maybe I do, I just don't mind it. So just a heads up. I'm trying to look for the hooks. They're right here. They do come with hooks. Awesome. Technique is we're gonna tackle every sphere by putting on the hook. And then just close it. No wonder they're so cheap. This one, well, I've never gotten a defective one, but this one doesn't have a gap to put the hook in. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. Look, it has no hole right there. Well, while I go through 100 spheres, we're gonna listen to a little podcast. Well, I like story times, but specifically I like listening to Mr. Ballin. If you're more into mysterious, dark, scary videos, then I recommend him. He just does videos of things going wrong, as in scary, or it could also be death caused by accidents or just natural disasters. Just if you're into all of that, which I am, go ahead and listen. And I am gonna listen to they discovered an actual death loop, but this is a little scary, so I'm a little scared. And for those wondering, like, I literally listen to him religiously. All the videos are red. Can you even see? Tackled all the ornaments. Well, to be exact, tackled 96 because 4 became defective. I think it backfired on me because I was like, they're high quality. I've never had problems with them. I jinxed myself. I honestly never ever had problems with these ornaments, but these are broken. I also feel like it has to do with the fact that I always get my ornaments shipped to me. This time I bought them in store, so I don't know how the people have treated the box, maybe slammed it and all that, so maybe that has to do with it. Not me trying to justify it, but point is that 4 came defective. The other one is lost in the pile, so it'll pop up later on. But yeah, and also those wondering, these are plastic ornaments. So I spoke too soon. But now, before I go ahead and put my ornaments and all that shenanigans, we are going to put our fake snow. We're gonna flock our tree because I've always loved that flocked tree look. And well, I don't know if I should this year. No, I am. I always do, and it's just, you know, a tradition of mine that I always put this fake snow. And I always like getting this. This is the Santa Snow Nieve. I don't know what brand it is in specific, but I know you could get this in the dollar store, Dollar Tree, or even Amazon, but you are gonna pay more of a price if you order it from Amazon. So always try to go to your local store and see if you can find it. I'm kind of regretting it because it looks so pretty, just green. It added some color to my room, but we're gonna lightly just continue flocking it because there's no going back. Spheres are done, and it's giving a little bland. I don't know what it is, but I don't know, I feel like silver isn't my favorite. I'm a gold kind of gal, so silver just looks a little dead to me. But anyways, we are gonna put these flowers that I always put in my tree. It's just a tradition to put these flowers on my tree. I've had these flowers since, I am not gonna lie, maybe 4 years ago, and I've just been reusing and reusing. I love that about Christmas decorations, or decorations overall. It's just you start buying and collecting as the years goes, and then when you know, you have a bunch of things. But I don't know, it's just my favorite. And these I literally bought at the 99-cent store for really cheap, but they've lasted years. We're just gonna fluff them up because since I had them in storage, they just get crumbled up and look ugly. But as soon as you fluff them up, they just end up looking put together and beautiful, just as if you just bought them. And it's done. And this is how my tree turned out. I feel like, something is definitely missing. I have to add the skirts. But I don't know if I should add red flowers just to make it pop. I might have to because I don't know, it's looking a little too bland for me. We always do colors, and this year again it's just silver, so it's, I don't know how to feel about it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of spheres, just white ones and neutral ones I have already, and then we'll move on from that. But I'll do that. I won't bore you guys, but we're gonna move on to my bed area now. For my bed, I have been loving the flannel thread hold. I don't know what brand it is, I'll pop it up here, but it's from Target. Their flannel bed sheet is the softest cotton in the whole world. I know you guys know how soft flannels feel. That's exactly how this bed sheet feels. So we're doing Christmas vibes, you know, colorful flannel Christmas. I actually didn't really like this bed sheet, but I had to compromise because the one that has the little trees and the little trucks, everybody and their moms bought because it's TikTok. So this is the one I had to compromise with. It's giving PJ vibes, but I love it. So we're just gonna change these bed sheets. The bed sheets I have on right now are flannel as well, but they are little flowers. So we're just gonna get rid of this bed sheet and set up a whole new vibe to this room. I got the bed sheets when they were on Thanksgiving sale, I believe. So I got them for $18. $18 for a bed sheet in the size of full. That's a steal because typically they go for 30 bucks. So I got 2 for the price of 1. Also, before we move forward, let's say bye to those pumpkins. We're not throwing this one because this is acrylic. Or ceramic, one of those. bed is done and my little Christmas mini tree. I still have this decoration box and another box I have to go through because I'm missing some decorations that I want to add, so I gotta look for all of that.